Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're searching for the perfect gifts for a chess lover, or just want to treat yourself to something truly special, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into a luxury chess set that's not just beautiful but built to last. Stick around because this one's a game changer. Black Pawn, why this chess set is the ideal gift. This meticulously handmade chess set is more than just a game, it's a statement piece. Crafted by skilled artisans, the board is made from premium wood, while the pieces are forged from durable metal. The king stands tall at 315 or 8 centimeters, and pawns at 1.97, 5 centimeters, all perfectly proportioned to the 15x15 IX 315. 38 by 38 by 8 centimeters board. Its compact design makes it a stylish addition to any home or office. You will find the link to the product in the description. Please subscribe to the channel, but what truly sets it apart is its practical storage drawer, which keeps every piece safe and organized. No more lost pawns or cluttered tabletops, just clean, elegant gameplay every time. Suitable for all ages and skill levels. Whether you're gifting it to a seasoned grandmaster or a curious beginner, this set is perfect for all. It offers a fun educational experience that sharpens strategic thinking and brings people together. From kids to adults, everyone can enjoy the timeless challenge of chess. You will find the link to the product in the description. Please subscribe to the channel. A legacy that lasts. This isn't just a gift, it's a legacy. Its sturdy construction and classic design ensure it can be passed down through generations. Every game played adds to its sentimental value, making it a cherished keepsake for years to come. Bonus gift ideas for chess lovers. Want to complete the gift package? Pair the chess set with a stylish heavyweight t-shirt or a soft ring-spun jersey crewneck. These ethically sourced, eco-friendly shirts come in classic fits and feminine cuts, offering comfort and durability. Or add a ceramic mug, microwave and dishwasher safe, for those long, thoughtful games over coffee. Why this set beats the rest on Amazon. Unlike mass-produced alternatives, this chess set is handcrafted with precision and care. Its premium materials, smart design, and elegant finish make it a superior choice. While others may fade or break, this set stands the test of time, both in quality and style. Meta description. Discover the best gifts for a chess lover with this luxury handmade chess set. Durable, elegant, and perfect for all skill levels. Better than anything else on Amazon. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review and want more awesome gift ideas, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below with your favorite chess memory. See you in the next video.